So since our last video we have been doing some experimenting and we have uncovered 3 more ways in which you can clean your garden stone. These are more suited to large gravelled areas that have become a bit discoloured.
Winters can be harsh on decorative aggregates. Gravelled areas in particular can discolour depending on the type of stone that has been used. We laid Polar Ice gravel from Stone Warehouse about 1.5 years ago. It is a marble product and therefore a semi-soft material which may discolour over time. We noticed that areas under trees and also under the TV aerial were starting to go a little green as they get wetter than other parts of the garden. The best product we found to restore the stones to their original colour was Wet and Forget Mould, Lichen and Algae Remover. This is an incredibly simple product to use. The instructions are on the back and you just mix 1 part solution to 5 parts water. We did this in an old empty spray bottle. However, it does make your hand ache on even a small area. Therefore, we would suggest investing in some kind of a pump action pressure sprayer. It should be applied when your stone is dry and check the forecast to ensure it isn't given rain for 4 to 5 hours. Then you literally just leave it. And 2 to 3 days later, we noticed a huge difference. A few days further on, more of a difference still. The green was completely gone. The Wet and Forget is environmentally friendly, though they do recommend keeping pets away from it until it has dried. However, if you are looking for a more natural product or a slightly cheaper option, then we have got a couple of alternatives. The first of these is soda crystals. We dissolved around 200 grams of the crystals in just over 1 litre of warm water, and then used a watering can to pour the solution over the dry gravel. This was then rinsed off with a hose pipe the following day, and there was definitely an improvement to the colour of the stone. We then also tried a solution of around 200 grams of soda crystals mixed with 100 grams of bicarbonate of soda. This was dissolved in just over 2 litres of warm water, and again, a watering can was used to sprinkle the solution over the dry gravel. This was also washed off after 24 hours. Again, we were pleased with the results, although with both of these options we would suggest a second application a few days later, and you may still need to use soapy water and a brush or sponge on a few of the more stubbornly green stones.
We hope our video has been useful in explaining how you can ungreen your gravel. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more videos.